Hi, at Arete, our goal is to provide a customized service to every client regardless of their project size.
We understand that choosing a contractor that's going to do your dream home, it's a process.
Many times during the process you will have questions.
As experts with 17 years of experience in design and construction, we will not leave any question unanswered.
Recent slide.
How quickly can I get an estimate?
Will you be pulling permits and handling all the paperwork for the approval?
Who will be the team that's working in my home, and will I have to be my own project manager?
No matter the question or the project.
And we promise to guide you through the entire process and look forward to building long-lasting relationships for years to come.
We are the art of remodeling.
Hi, at Arete, our goal is to provide a customized service to every client.
And at Arete, we promise to guide you through the whole entire...
Okay, come on.
And we promise to guide you.
Many times during...
And we promise to guide you through the...
Slower.